Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable battery protection mode on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. To turn it on, you have to open settings on your smartphone. In settings, go to battery, and in battery menu, go to battery health. The battery protection mode, it can be either a smart charge or custom charging limit. Now, if you are using smart charge, your phone will adapt automatically to your routines and will delay the charging past 80% for as long as it takes before you usually need to use it. So you can even leave your phone overnight to charge overnight, and it will only charge to 100% once you usually have to grab your phone and take it for any purpose you need. And because basically it works in a way that your phone doesn't get fully charged and isn't staying fully charged for a long period of time, as this actually affects your battery in an unhealthy way. It decreases your battery life over time. So yeah, it basically the smart charge feature is something that you're looking for probably in this case, as it will prevent your battery from getting older over time. Of course, it still will, but it will stay healthy for a longer period of time. And you can also enable custom charging limit, which will also do the same thing. So you just have to set the charging limit by moving the slider to the to the limit that you want your phone to charge. For example, you can set 80%, and this way your phone will only be charged to 80% and then will stop charging, which will also affect your battery in a good way. But of course, maybe for you it won't be enough. For the 80% or even the 90% won't be enough for the whole day or maybe a couple of days of using your phone. So yeah, of course, it's much easier to use the smart charge. And using the custom charging limits, your battery will still fully charge to 100% once in a while, just to evaluate your battery's current condition. So yeah, just use one of these two features that you think is more compatible with your daily routine, and just stay with it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.